how to reset Roblox password. So if you've forgotten your Roblox password, then we've got you covered. First, head to the Roblox app on your device. Now on the login page, you have to click on Forgot Password or Username. There are two ways for how you can reset your password. First, you can use your number, or if your account was linked with your email address, then you can click on Use Email to reset password. Now all you have to do is type in your email. The process is very much similar with a phone number. You just have to type it in, and once that is done, you just have to click on Submit. You now have to complete a human verification. Once that is done, an email will be sent to your mailbox. This is what the mail should look like, and finally you have to click on Reset Password. Now go ahead and create a new one. Then click on Submit. You have now successfully reset your password. You can just head to the Roblox app and try logging in with your new password. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.